Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix turn on fast startup missing on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy it. Tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. After finishing this command, you need to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. Select powercfg.cpl. Click on OK. Select choose what the power buttons do and select change settings that are currently unavailable. And you can able to see the turn on fast startup option. You just need to check mark this option and select save changes. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.